How to transfer money from Cash App to Chime. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Cash App, then open up your profile by clicking on the top right hand side corner and scroll down. Over here, you will be able to find the option of linked banks. Just simply select this option. Now select the option of link debit card. Here, select the option of no card, or you can also provide the information about your Chime card and add it. But let's click on no card for now and see how we can add Chime. After that, click on continue. Now select Chime over here, or in case if you're not able to see it, just simply search for it and you will be able to see it. Just simply select it. After that, click on this option of continue to log in, and this way you would be prompted to log into your Chime account. After providing your information and credentials, you will be able to connect your Chime to your Cash App. And this way, whenever you will try to cash out from Cash App, you would be shown the option to transfer the money from your Cash App to your Chime account. And this way, you would be able to transfer the money. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.